Hello, that is the Mastercam training video. I'm gonna show you how you can use the Mastercam and SolidWorks together. So I'm gonna click the part section to create my part. So I'm sorry about my computer, it is waiting for a while. That is the first time when you open your SolidWorks, it can be like this. Don't worry about that. I'm gonna select some plane to create my sketch. So I just wanna use circle, and my circle diameter gonna be 100 millimeter. So that's all. So I'm gonna create solid surface. It can be 50 millimeter maybe. So I'm gonna create another sketch on that part. So it can be like this rectangle shapes, and that part 50 millimeter and 25, no, and 40. That's okay. And I'm gonna create some fillet. It can be 5 millimeter, and that's all. So I'm gonna use the extrude cut operation, and it can be 20 millimeter, and I think that's okay. So if you want to change the diameter of your cylinder, you can click on that, and I'm going to create 75 millimeter, and that can be better. So I am also want to change the extrude high, so it can be 40 millimeter, and that's okay. I'm gonna create my part, so I'm gonna use my folder. Okay, and I'm gonna give some name for my part. So I'm gonna write Mcam exam 1. Okay, that's okay. That's enough for me. I need to open Mastercam. I'm gonna click the file, or I'm gonna click the open section. Same. I'm gonna click the open. So I need to go to my parts folder. Okay, right now I am in my part folder, but I cannot see anything. So I need to change my folder type. So I'm gonna click all files so I can see. And if you can see, I can open the CLD PLT files. I don't need to change that. So I'm gonna double click on that part, and that's okay. As you can see, that is my part.